Welcome to our video on the forgotten risks of wind and solar energy you need to know. While renewable energy sources like wind and solar are often hailed as the solution to our climate crisis, they come with a set of hidden risks that are frequently overlooked. In this video, we'll explore critical concerns ranging from intermittency and reliability to land use, environmental impacts, and the potential effects on wildlife. Join us as we delve into these lesser-discussed challenges and shed light on the comprehensive implications of transitioning to renewable energy. 1. Intermittency and reliability concerns. One of the most significant challenges with wind and solar energy is their intermittent nature. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. This inconsistency can lead to reliability issues, especially during peak demand times. For instance, during a cloudy or windless day, the output from these sources can drop significantly. This necessitates the need for backup power sources, often fossil fuels, which can negate some of the environmental benefits. Additionally, the unpredictability can lead to grid instabilities, making it essential for energy planners to devise strategies to manage these fluctuations effectively. 2. Land use and environmental impact. While wind and solar farms may seem environmentally benign, they require substantial land areas. Solar farms, in particular, can cover vast tracts of land, potentially disrupting local ecosystems. Similarly, wind turbines, though tall and slender, need space between them to function efficiently. This means that large swaths of land must be dedicated to these installations. There have been instances where the development of these energy projects has led to the displacement of wildlife and changes in land use patterns, raising concerns among environmentalists. 3. Impact on wildlife. The installation of wind turbines and solar panels can have unintended consequences on wildlife. Birds and bats are particularly vulnerable to wind turbines, often colliding with the spinning blades. A study found that hundreds of thousands of birds are killed annually due to wind turbines. On the other hand, large solar farms can disrupt habitats for ground-dwelling animals. The reflective surfaces of solar panels can also confuse birds, leading them to crash into them. These impacts necessitate the need for careful site selection and mitigation strategies to minimize harm to wildlife. 4. Resource and material constraints. The production of wind turbines and solar panels relies on specific materials, some of which are rare or environmentally taxing to extract. For instance, the production of photovoltaic cells requires silicon, silver, and other metals that involve energy-intensive mining processes. Similarly, wind turbines use rare earth metals like neodymium. The extraction and processing of these materials can have significant environmental impacts, including habitat destruction and pollution. As the demand for renewables grows, so does the pressure on these finite resources. 5. Waste management and decommissioning. As with any technology, wind and solar installations have a finite lifespan. After 20-30 years, solar panels and wind turbines need to be decommissioned. This presents a challenge in terms of waste management. Solar panels contain hazardous materials like cadmium and lead, which can pose environmental risks if not disposed of properly. Wind turbine blades, made from composite materials, are notoriously difficult to recycle. With the rapid expansion of renewables, there is a growing concern about the accumulation of waste and the need for effective recycling solutions. 6. Social and cultural impacts. The development of wind and solar projects can lead to social and cultural challenges. Often, these projects are located in rural or indigenous areas, leading to conflicts over land rights and cultural heritage. Communities have raised concerns about the visual and noise impacts of wind farms, which can affect the quality of life. In some cases, local populations may not benefit from the energy produced, leading to feelings of disenfranchisement. These issues underscore the importance of engaging with local communities and ensuring that they are active participants in the decision-making process. 7. Economic considerations. While the cost of wind and solar energy has decreased significantly over the years, there are still economic challenges to consider. Initial setup costs can be high, and not all regions have the same capacity to harness these energies efficiently. For instance, areas with less sunlight or wind might not see the same returns on investment. Additionally, the transition to renewable energy can impact existing industries, leading to job losses in sectors like coal and natural gas. Policymakers need to balance the economic benefits of renewables with the potential socio-economic disruptions they might cause. 8. Grid integration challenges. Integrating wind and solar energy into existing power grids is not without its challenges. The intermittent nature of these energy sources requires advanced grid management techniques to ensure stability. There is a need for significant infrastructure upgrades to accommodate the fluctuating power supply. Energy storage solutions, like batteries, are essential to store excess energy and release it when needed. However, the current storage technologies are still evolving, and large-scale deployment can be costly. Effective grid integration is crucial to maximizing the potential of renewable energy sources while ensuring a stable power supply. In conclusion, while wind and solar energy offer promising solutions to our energy needs, they come with their own set of challenges that cannot be ignored. Understanding these risks is crucial for making informed decisions about our energy future.